An 80-year-old Clarendon resident was murdered last night and his house torched. The brutal attack has left residents and members of the political directorate wondering why the senior citizen had been targeted. More in this report from Cody and Barrett.
Burn marks on the windows of this house are signs of the vicious attack that happened around 10 Tuesday night in the Rhymesbury community in Clarendon. Reports are that hoodlums firebombed the house using Molotov cocktails and then shot at the occupant as he tried to escape. The occupant's screams for help led to the police being summoned, but by the time the police arrived, it was too late. 80-year-old Clifton Barry was found inside the house in a pool of blood with bullet wounds all over his body.
I could never and will never even want to believe that anybody could have gone into the home of Mr. Berry and take him out in this brutal way. I believe this is really, really unjustified, and I don't know where crime is going in this country, but when you kill an elderly man like Mr. Berry, who's always been quiet, calm, very united, a churchman who goes to his church, and someone who's very cooperative and community oriented, he's always considering what can be done to make the young boys and young girls come off the street.
Investigators were on the scene of a murder Wednesday morning, scouring for clues that could help find the killers of the senior citizen. The councillor for the area is adamant these attacks cannot be allowed to be seen as normal and is therefore insisting that the country's security leaders must act.
The belly bottom of people is burning out. The Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, you have to do something about crime in this country. It cannot continue like this. There are too many persons' lives are gone. It could be a child, that doesn't matter. So we can't keep on talking about crime every day and yet we do nothing. Things need to put in place, Mr. Holness, as the leadership in this country, and to make certain that we curb and control crime to a level where the citizen can be comfortable. And I cannot understand, when I saw a survey done, and citizens are saying they are more comfortable in their homes. It is unbelievable to me, because I don't know who could be comfortable in a crime-filled country like Jamaica now.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.